Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I prepare my chicken stir fry, come along. I wash off my chicken breast with my lime juice. So this is my Lorry seasoning, okay? Just gonna pour some Lorry seasoning on it. This is about 2 tablespoons of Lorry seasoning, and this is some basil. Here I have some basil here, 1 tablespoon of basil. I love to use fresh herb. Looking about my vegetable, my meat, anything I'm looking about, I like to use my fresh, healthy herb. And here I have some pepper grain, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper grain. I call it correctly, I think, chives, right? This is a fresh herb. It has a lot of vitamin in there, a lot of mineral. It's good for cholesterol. It's good for blood clot, guys. Herb into my chicken breast, and I wash it off with my lime water, as I said, and then I just leave it for it to drain, so no water is on it. That when I'm stir frying it with my vegetable, it don't spring a lot of water. Okay. Yes, and I don't put any salt in there, because when I'm using the Lorry seasoning, you don't need any salt, because the Lorry seasoning it have a lot of salt, so you don't need any salt. If you put salt in there with the Lorry seasoning, your food will taste salt. You understand? Yes, guys. Here I have my Dutch pot on the fire. What I'm gonna do now is to fry my chicken breast, but I'm just gonna pour some oil, some olive oil in there, not a lot, because I'm doing a stir fry. So you can use any oil you want, but I prefer use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This is the one I'm using. So my Dutch pot well hot, because I'm doing the stir fry. We just turn them over. They start to change color. Guys, what I'm doing here is to take out my chicken breasts. As you can see, they are brown. You can just let them stir fry for about 10 minutes. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is to just take them out. Just put it aside and get started with my vegetable. Okay? Okay. This is all my vegetable. I have some broccoli there. And I have some green sweet pepper and some red sweet pepper. And I have some cabbage. I can't do without my cabbage. And I have some chopped onion, some chopped scallion, and some parsley, and some garlic, and a piece of chopped ginger. And here I have some thyme. I'm gonna put some thyme, wrap them off of the stand, okay? And here I have some vegetable seasoning, okay? Okay, so this is all my vegetable. Here, I'm going to use the same Dutch pot that I look after my chicken breast, stir fry my chicken breast with. So this is the Dutch pot. I'm not going to put any oil in there. Just going to tip a little tip of butter. Just going to put this amount of butter in my Dutch pot. You know, I always have the Dutch pot. I don't know, I can't stop the Dutch pot. You know, yeah. What I'm going to do now is to put in some garlic. I'm going to put in my garlic and my ginger. trust me, if you use butter and garlic and ginger, you know the smell you are going to the house already. Trust me, strong, nice smell. So what I'm going to add next is the onion, then my scallion, and then right now I'm going to add some parsley. Okay, love you parsley. Anything we say healthy, I made that. Yeah, that's me that. Is that what I say? Yeah, you have to try the healthy, you know, try to stay healthy, try the healthy, you know. Yeah, so what I'm going to add now is my broccoli and my peppers. I'm going to add my broccoli. Add my cabbage, and I chop up my vegetable medium, not fine but medium, because you know I'm doing a stir fry. So if you want, you can chop them up fine or small, medium, large, but I prefer chop them up medium doing the stir fry. Okay. I'm just going to turn down my stove a little, and then I'm going to put in my peppers. Chicken breast that I prepared already. And then, see this? Yeah, it's good to scrape out all the little moisture out of your chicken dish. Get everything in your stir fry, okay? So what I'm going to do next is to add in some vegetable seasoning. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description. I'm just going to shred off some thyme off of the stick. See that? Yeah. Just the thyme together, and just leave it. Let it just go and fry until it out way down. That when I'm eating it, it does plaka. No. You're gonna feel the crunch the same way, so you're gonna get all the vitamins same way in your stir fry. Okay? I'm just gonna add a little more pepper. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my stir fry vegetable with chicken breast. Guys, I will put the ingredients in the description box, so please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this recipe. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you for watching. Bless you all. Bye.